See if you have
theta, hiccups, Sprites.
There's 5 levels in this phobia test, going from easiest to most difficult. So if you're too scared to make it all the way to the end, then you probably have megalophobia. Let's begin. How would standing under this ship make you feel? What about if you were sitting on this clock tower? Now for level 3, imagine you saw this face coming towards you. Then imagine this creature outside your window. We're getting to level 5, the most scary level. And I'll also be showing you a video, so get ready.